So welcome back to another video. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game crashing, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, stuck on loading screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system, then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to check for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta update. Apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for update option. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol on your controller. Now move down to profile and system. Now select settings, click on system, click on console info, and then select reset console. After that, select reset and keep my games and apps. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button. Now go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Now check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.